Hey guys, this is Rama from Referrals Favor, very for and of course video preferred. So guys, today I'm going to unbox Truke wireless earphones which I bought it from Amazon, and so this is how the package is looking like. And I bought it for 999 rupees, that is around 1000. Don't have any pad right now, so I'm just unboxing on my Mac machine itself. So yeah, so without any delay, let's get started. So guys, here, let me open the box initially, and you can find some bubble wrapper in it and a standard thing. So here we have the bill, invoice and everything, so let me put it aside. And here I have a Truke Fit 1 touch for music and deep bass, and it has coming with 13mm driver, so it will be having good bass. And also on right side nothing, and left also nothing, and top nothing, and bottom we have the MRP is around 4,999, but it's around 999 rupees itself. So yeah, this is how it is. And on the back we have truly wireless quick pairing Bluetooth 5.0, 3000 mAh battery. That sounds great. And connection distance is of 10 meters, and standby duration is of 3 months. Oh, that's great. And call duration is around 4 hours. You can talk. And earphone battery, each bud is having around 50 mAh, and carrying case has around 300 mAh, so total 400 mAh battery is present in it. So let me open this box first. Let me open this thing. So yeah, this is how everything is coming, and this is how nothing in the box. So just let me put aside and check its user manual. So it is Truke user manual, things how to use and everything. It is asking us to review, and it is a warranty card. Anyways, the bill is more important for warranty. And yeah, by the way, it comes with 12 months warranty. So this is how the Truke earphones looks like. And in the accessories we have some earbuds. So around 3 pairs we have earbuds of different sizes. So guys, it just comes with an USB 2.0 this thing, and for charging. And let me open it. So yeah, it's around half a feet or something, so you can see it is around 15 centimeters. That's it. Let me open this Truke truly wireless earphones. So here on top we have Truke branding, and on bottom we have the charging indicator. On right nothing, and on back we can charge this charging case as well as earphones. On left nothing, and on the bottom we don't have anything. So let me open this. Yeah, so this is how it is. We have the left earpiece, and here we have the right earpiece also. So, and nothing else in the box. And so let me keep this aside. And here you can see the charging things, and here you can see the indicator of the battery currently. And here you can see the the charging for these things. So let me keep this aside also. So yeah, now just you can see this one. I'm going to remove this. Yeah, so this both are earphones which comes with this thing, and we get another 4 3 pairs, to total 4 pairs of earbuds. So guys, these are the earbuds. So you can use as a monopod also, and here you can one touch for play and pause, and double tap for Siri connect, and right earpiece for next, and left earpiece for previous track. And this is how you can use, and you can use monopod also for this. So this is the touch button. So this is the touch button for that, not touch but just a button here. And here you have earpiece, here you can charging cable, and this is left earpiece. And this is how, and the similar way for the right, it comes with dolphin structure. So this is how it is going to be present. Hey guys, that's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for further upcoming videos. Thank you guys. Bye bye.